Hi, my name is Hiren Saroop and welcome back to my channel Art by Hirendra Saroop. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to draw a human figure, the proportion in which the human body is divided. If you have missed my earlier video in which I have talked about how to draw a face by Loomis method, then I would suggest that you click on this video and have a look on how to draw a face by using Loomis method. If you like the video, I would request that you subscribe to my channel so that you get an update for the next video. In my upcoming videos, I'll be using Loomis method, which I have talked about in the earlier video, and the body proportions in this video, and use it to draw an actual painting that could sell. In my upcoming videos, I'll be using this video and the Loomis method video as a reference to make clay model sculpture. If you like the video, I'll request that you subscribe to my channel so that you get an update for the upcoming videos. I'll be more than happy to answer any of your queries that you mention in the comment section. So without wasting any time further, let's jump onto the video. Mark lines for start and end of the figure. Then draw a line perpendicular to these lines. Draw a line to equally divide the vertical line. Further divide the vertical line by drawing two more horizontal lines. Repeat to divide the vertical line again. We have drawn 9 horizontal lines at equal distance on the vertical line. These 9 horizontal lines are dividing vertical line into 8 equal parts. Draw face in the first part. Shoulder line touches half of the second part. Waistline will touch the horizontal line at the end of the third space. Hip line will touch the horizontal line at the end of the fourth space. Knee will touch the horizontal line at the end of the sixth space. Fingers of the hand will touch the horizontal line at the end of the fifth space. While giving shape to the legs, notice that the line moves inward up to the knees and then outwards to give a curve at the calf muscle. Summarizing the video, draw two horizontal lines to mark the start and end of the figure. Draw a vertical line touching these two horizontal lines. Divide this vertical line into 8 equal parts. Draw face in the first part. Shoulder line touches half of the second space. Waistline touches horizontal line at the end of the third space. Hip line touches horizontal line at the end of the fifth space. Hand touches half of the fifth space. Knee touches the horizontal line at the end of the sixth space. If you have liked the video and learned something out of it, please like and subscribe my channel. I will be more than happy to answer any of your queries. So please do mention your queries in the comment section. I am now outlining with black pen for more clarity. If you click on the subscribe button, we can meet again in the next video. I will come again with more tricks and techniques on art. A small click on the thumbs up button will keep me motivated. Thank you for watching. See you again in my next video.